Alcohol. It's here. It's out of the protective Amazon shipping thingy because my wife didn't know I was doing a thing, so she opened it for me. But this is the first time opening the box on the knife that I ordered in January. It's March. It's a baby. No, my thumb. There we go. I like that. Damn. My first impression of this knife. Tell you, it doesn't weigh anything. Like that. I'm gonna move this. Ow! Damn it. I'm alright. I'll live. Snappy. So, this thing's like damn brand new. I ordered it like when it was released. It's on freaking back order until now. It's supposed to be like a minimalist, sneaky, undercover, knifey thing. Oh, let's see what I can do for a size comparison for you here. We got a C-clamp, utility knife blade. There's a 3.5 inch vise. Not sure if I've used that in a video before. There's the baby pipe wrench. Just put that little guy right there. And we've got a wrench that has a wrench on its butt. So yeah, there's that. So, hey, it comes half sharp. There's some bonus info for you. I like it. I have several Crockett's that I really enjoy. Or crickets, CRKTs. People call them different things. I've been told Crockett is wrong. Really clean grind lines. Look at that. Has the IKBS, which appears to be caged. I have a toolbox just off camera, conveniently. Focus. No, focus on this thing. Thank you. Kind of hard to tell, but I think those are caged bearings, which is a vast improvement over the not caged bearings on the Poker Quaken, which I might have one handy due to the not caged bearings on this guy. Similar style though. This one's even more minimalist-y. Quick. I'm gonna cut my thumb 100 times before I get the hang of this. It's tiny. Like, cramped tiny. I have normal sized man hands and it's a tiny knife in my hand. Like, X-Acto knife tiny. But I like it. It's snappy. Versus the Skyline XL I've been carrying the past couple days. It's huge. And like my Chinese buoy. Cool. Like first impressions, I like it. Just all that fresh out of the box that I threw over there.